He is playing. She is dancing. I am reading. We are writing. They are singing. You are running. He is eating. She is cooking. I am working. We are studying. He is drinking water. She is smiling. I am listening. We are watching TV. They are playing cricket. You are talking. He is sleeping. She is washing clothes. I am writing a letter. We are walking. He is teaching. She is helping. I am learning. They are shouting. You are dancing slowly. He is driving a car. She is drawing a picture. I am cleaning my room. We are playing football. They are swimming in the pool. He is opening the door. She is closing the window. I am calling my friend. We are laughing loudly. They are clapping hands. You are sitting quietly. He is standing near the wall. She is crying softly. I am washing my hands. We are eating lunch. He is reading a book. She is reading a story. I am opening my bag. We are writing notes. They are playing games. You are making tea. He is running fast. She is walking slow. I am watching a movie. We are playing together. He is jumping high. She is feeding the dog. I am learning English. We are speaking English. They are studying hard. You are helping me. He is painting a wall. She is teaching me. I am practicing daily. We are sitting in the park. He is shouting loudly. She is looking at me. I am waiting for you. We are going home. They are coming here. You are opening the box. He is kicking the ball. She is holding a book. I am standing at the door. We are cooking food. He is watching birds. She is feeding the cat. I am drawing a picture. We are singing a song. They are laughing happily. You are studying English. He is walking in the garden. She is writing a story. I am opening the window. We are playing in the park. He is cleaning the table. She is drinking tea. I am reading the newspaper. We are working together. They are listening carefully. You are learning fast. He is talking to his friend. She is waiting outside. I am sitting on the chair. We are watching the sky. He is reading a poem. She is drawing flowers. I am practicing writing. We are walking together. They are playing basketball. You are cooking dinner. He is looking at the clock. She is cleaning the floor. I am opening my notebook. We are singing together. He is climbing the tree. She is running in the park. I am listening to music. We are making a cake. They are painting pictures. You are holding my hand. He is feeding the birds. She is laughing loudly. I am brushing my teeth. We are sitting under a tree. He is planting a tree. She is drawing in her notebook. I am opening the door. We are writing a letter. He is running on the road. She is jumping on the bed. I am sitting on the floor. We are dancing together. They are drawing pictures. You are opening your bag. He is drinking juice. She is making tea. I am reading a storybook. We are cleaning the room. He is listening to a song. She is walking to school. I am watching the clouds. We are playing hide and seek. They are feeding the dog. You are painting the wall. He is talking to his teacher. She is waiting for the bus. I am writing a postcard. We are singing a nursery rhyme. He is kicking the ball. She is climbing the ladder. I am opening the window. We are reading a newspaper. They are jumping in the garden. You are washing the dishes. He is feeding the cat. She is writing a diary. I am walking slow. We are making a card. He is drinking water. She is playing the guitar. I am drawing a flower. We are reading a poem. They are running in the park. You are studying English. He is watching the birds. She is brushing her hair. I am cleaning the table. We are cooking rice. He is opening his book. She is helping her mother. I am learning new words. We are playing chess. They are laughing at a joke. You are standing near the tree. He is singing a song. She is painting a picture. I am washing my hands. We are dancing slowly. He is walking in the garden. She is smiling at me. I am writing a letter. We are watching a movie. They are playing football. You are feeding the birds. He is cleaning the floor. She is climbing the tree. I am calling my friend. We are running together. He is opening the box. She is reading a story. I am standing near the wall. We are eating dinner. They are playing in the yard. You are making a cake. He is kicking the ball. She is brushing her teeth. I am drawing a house. We are reading a book. He is jumping high. She is feeding the baby. I am practicing writing. We are playing outside. They are singing together. You are listening carefully. He is talking to his friend. She is walking to school. I am cleaning my room. We are sitting in the park. He is running fast. She is opening the door. I am learning English. We are cooking food. They are watching TV. You are writing a note. He is painting the wall. She is laughing loudly. I am holding the pen. We are walking slowly. He is sitting on the chair. She is drinking water. I am feeding the cat. We are playing cricket. They are running together. You are making tea. He is opening the window. She is cleaning the table. I am reading the newspaper. We are singing a song. He is climbing the ladder. She is smiling at me. I am practicing speaking. We are feeding the birds. They are jumping on the bed. You are reading a story. He is writing a letter. She is dancing in the room. He is sitting on the bench. She is running to the shop. I am writing in my notebook. We are playing in the garden. They are drawing animals. You are opening your notebook. He is drinking milk. She is making breakfast. I am reading a magazine. We are cleaning the classroom. He is listening to the teacher. She is walking to the market. I am watching the sun. We are playing with toys. They are feeding the birds. You are painting a picture. He is talking to his mother. She is waiting at the station. I am writing in my diary. We are singing a song. He is kicking a ball. She is climbing a hill. I am opening the bag. We are reading a story. They are jumping in the puddle. You are washing your hands. He is feeding the dog. She is writing a postcard. I am walking in the park. We are making a card. He is drinking tea. She is playing the piano. I am drawing a tree. We are reading a poem. They are running around. You are studying hard. He is watching the sky. She is brushing her hair. I am cleaning my table. We are cooking vegetables. He is opening the book. She is helping her brother. I am learning new sentences. We are playing hopscotch. They are laughing together. You are standing in line. He is singing a nursery rhyme. She is painting a wall. I am washing my hands. We are dancing in the hall. He is walking on the street. She is smiling at her friend. I am writing a postcard. We are watching cartoons. They are playing football. You are feeding the fish. He is cleaning his shoes. She is climbing the stairs. I am calling my mother. We are running fast. He is opening the box. She is reading a magazine. I am standing at the window. We are eating breakfast. They are playing in the sand. You are making a sandwich. He is kicking the ball. She is brushing her teeth. I am drawing a car. We are reading a book. He is jumping over a puddle. She is feeding the baby. I am practicing speaking. We are playing in the playground. They are singing loudly. You are listening carefully. He is talking to his friend. She is walking slowly. I am cleaning the floor. We are sitting under the tree. He is running quickly. She is opening the window. I am learning new words. We are cooking rice. They are watching TV. You are writing a note. He is painting a picture. She is laughing softly. I am holding the book. We are walking together. He is sitting on the chair. She is drinking juice. I am feeding the cat. We are playing cricket. They are running together. You are making tea. He is opening the door. She is cleaning the table. I am reading the newspaper. We are singing a song. He is climbing the ladder.